Hello and welcome. Today, I'm going to show you how to make quick edits to your pictures by drawing on the photos. We're going to be using a very cool online tool called Fun. It's super simple, so stick around and I'll show you how to do it and a few easy tips and tricks along the way. So here we are in Fun, ready to start our picture. This is the photo that I'm going to be drawing on. Now I have it over here and I can tell that the photo is 2000 pixels by 1333 pixels. You don't need to know the pixel size, but I like to make the size of my document the same as my photo size. So I'm going to go to New over here, and in the custom size, I'm going to type the values of my photo. Once again, that's 2000 by 1333. There we go, set our custom size, and we're ready to import our photo. All we have to do is go to this little upload section. Once we're in here, you just click this little button right here to upload your photo. There's our photo right there, so we'll double click it. And after a minute, our photo will appear in our uploads. All we have to do is click it over here, and it will automatically be added to our canvas. If you hold the space bar on your computer, you can move your canvas around. Then just click on the image and you'll get the little bounding box, and you can resize it to fill your entire canvas. There we go. And now I'm ready to start drawing on my picture. What we have to do first is lock the layer of my photo so I'm not accidentally moving it around. All you have to do is click the little layers button over here and click this little lock beside the layer. Now we're ready to draw on top of the photo. All you have to do is switch from the editor mode right up here over to the Doodler mode. We have a few simple options right up here. The first thing we're going to do is change the size. Yeah, that feels pretty good to me. So now that we've chosen our size, we can choose our brush tip shape. I like the default that starts thin and ends thick. That feels pretty natural, but you can change it to be a uniform thickness or to start thin and then also end thin. The last thing we're going to want to do is change our color. Today, we're just going to be drawing in white, but you can draw with whatever color you want. So let's start with something simple. Let's maybe give her a little coconut drink. You don't have to get too fancy with this stuff. It's just supposed to look like a doodle, so it's okay if it looks a little bit messy. Put a nice bright sun up here in the sky. Let's put a little happy face on this sun. Why not? I think I want to put a big old palm tree over here. So let's put some coconuts here first. There we go, that looks pretty good. What else do we need here? Maybe some clouds in the sky? Let's make these swirly clouds. That looks pretty good. So what else do we need? What about if we draw some water in the background? That looks pretty good to me. And let's add some details to the model herself. Maybe a nice sun hat would be in order. If you have art skills, you can draw advanced stuff on your photo, but if not, you can add simple lines, swirls, dots around the hair and the body, the clothes, that sort of thing. It doesn't take much to add some nice fun doodle elements to a drawing, even if you're not much of an artist. If you don't want to do any drawing, well that's okay because there are some pre-made doodle elements right here in Fun. Just click on Elements, go to Shapes, search for the word Doodle. You'll find a whole bunch of hand-drawn doodle elements in here. Let's add this heart. We can resize it the same way we did with our photo, and we can change the color right up here. Another cool thing under this Elements section, we can actually add animated elements right here under Animated GIFs. There's a whole bunch in here to choose from. Let's try and pick one that will match our scene nicely. Oh, this is perfect. These are some flying birds. Wow, how cool does that look? And there's one final thing I want to show you. You can add some hand-drawn text, but you can also use the built-in text tool. Just find a font that you like. I like this hand-drawn font right here. It puts a couple text boxes on the artwork for you. I'm going to delete the first one, move this second one down here. You can change the size the same way we were doing before, and just like before, we can change the color. I want to put another copy of these flying birds over here. I love this. I think we're going to call this done, so I can just save it right over here. You can also download a copy of your picture using the download button. If you want your animations to stay as part of the image, you're going to want to use it as a GIF. I'm okay with leaving it as a JPEG. And there we go. I think we're going to call this done. How easy was that? With Mako Fun, you can do these quick and easy portrait effects to add doodle overlays to your photos. I hope you found this helpful, or at least a little fun to watch. If you like our tutorials, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.